just want a bag, like an old lady. I'm backwoods smoking, I don't own papers.
Hi loves, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alicia, aka Ali, and today I will be showing you how to get these faux locks. How I get my faux locks. These is about 50 inches or 60 inches, around 60 inches. So if you'd like to know how to get these locks, please keep watching. For this look, you are going to need a comb, any comb of your choice. This is a good parting comb, like a rat tail comb or like one of these little combs. These type of combs, this is the type of comb I use. Yeah, so you can get a regular like pointy comb. So you'll need one of the lock and twist thingies, and you will need what the hair if you use any type of hair you want to use, but the hair I use is the realistic Jamaican roots double jumbo afro twist at 60 inches, so it's extra long, 60 inches, and yeah, it's like crochet braids. It's like Afro kinky, because I just want my hair to look realistic, and everybody just always believe that my hair is actual locks. Like nobody just believe me when I tell them this is braids. They always think a lion. And for it to look realistic, I use like the kinkiest kind of hair, like kinky braids. Yeah, so I use that. I don't blow dry my hair, I just moisturize it. I use the CANTU moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer of your choice. I just use the CANTU moisturizer, and yeah, and I also use the ORS olive oil Girls Flower Taming Gel with olive oil, castor oil, vitamin E oil. I just use that to make my parts. So yeah. So here I am, here just washed, fully braided, no blow dry, just moisturized. I just parted my hair from one ear to the other ear, and I parted it in 4, and then I just did some plaits. This is about 42 plaits, and I just twisted it at the end, and I think it looks natural. Well, it looks a lot more natural with the hair that I'm going to use for my faux locks. So yeah, now I'm finished my hair, and I'm going to show you it from the front because it was a little hard to film from the back. So I just put the lock thing in and pull my hair through, and yeah, so it's now in my hair, like locked into my hair, and now I'm just pulling apart the ends, and I'm going to take this other piece, pull it out, and now I'm going to take this other piece and pull out the ends. It's like the ends is very important. You need to pull them out because this is what you're going to use to end off your lock. So that's what I'm doing here, showing you how it looks after. And now I'm going to hold that braid together with all of the braids and my hair, and I'm going to wrap it. I hope this sung in yeah, so I'm just wrapping, and yeah, I'm gonna continue to wrap, and I'll show you guys how to do the end off. So yeah, so I'll let you guys watch me wrap my braid. So yeah, if you guys found this video informative, if you guys think this is an easy way to do it, I think this is the easiest way, because I see people braiding like braids and all that. I just use the kinky braids underneath, wrap it around, boom, locks. And yeah, so yeah, if you guys found this video informative, please like, comment, rate and subscribe. Comment down below what video you want to see me do next, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.